Hello, my friend. Welcome to today's story. This lesson will show you the secret to calmness, and you will also practice English with me. Everyone faces stress in life, sometimes small problems, sometimes very big ones, but how we react makes the difference. Today, you will meet Matteo. He is a young man who lives in a busy city. And one day he faces a very stressful moment. It was a rainy morning. Matteo had an important job interview. He woke up early and prepared carefully. He wore his best shirt. He checked his papers twice. He felt nervous but also excited. Matteo left his house on time. He walked quickly to the bus stop. The street was crowded with people. The bus finally arrived, but it was full of passengers. There was no space for him. Another bus came 5 minutes later, but this one also passed by full. Matteo started to feel stressed. He looked at his watch. The interview was in only 30 minutes. He began to panic inside. "My heart is beating so fast," he thought. "I will be late. This is a disaster." Negative thoughts filled his mind. He felt his breathing change. It became short and heavy. His hands started to shake. At that moment, Matteo remembered advice. A teacher once told him something powerful. It was about staying calm in stress. The teacher said, "Take a deep breath. Pause. Focus on this moment. Calmness gives you power." Matteo decided to try. He closed his eyes for a second. He slowly inhaled and exhaled. He whispered to himself, "Stay calm. It will pass." He repeated the phrase twice. Suddenly, his body felt different. His chest was more relaxed. His mind was more clear. He thought of another phrase. "I can handle this." He repeated it again and again. Matteo realized something important. Stress was not stronger than him. He had control of his reaction. Finally, another bus arrived. This one had just enough space. He entered with a calmer heart. On the bus, he practiced English phrases. Take a deep breath. Focus on this moment. He felt more and more confident. Even though he might be late, he believed he could explain calmly. When he reached the building, he went straight to the reception. He politely asked about the interview. The receptionist smiled at him. "You're just in time," she said. "The manager is ready to see you." Matteo felt a wave of relief. He had survived the stressful moment, and he learned something very valuable. The lesson was clear to him. Calmness is not weakness at all. Calmness is a real strength. Now let's practice together. Repeat each phrase after me. Say it slowly, then naturally. Phrase 1. Stay calm. It will pass. Say it slowly. Stay calm. It will pass. Now say it naturally. Stay calm. It will pass. Phrase 2. Take a deep breath. Repeat slowly. Take a deep breath. Now naturally. Take a deep breath. Phrase 3. Focus on this moment. Repeat slowly. Focus on this moment. Now naturally. Focus on this moment. Phrase 4. I can handle this. Repeat slowly. I can handle this. Now naturally. I can handle this. Phrase 5. Stress is not stronger than me. Repeat slowly. Stress is not stronger than me. Now naturally, stress is not stronger than me. Matteo used these phrases every day. Whenever stress came, he repeated them. They became part of his mind. At work, he faced problems calmly. At home, he stayed peaceful with family. In traffic, he breathed and smiled. His friends noticed the change. "You are different, Matteo," they said. "You are more peaceful now." He smiled and replied softly, "I discovered the secret to calmness. It changed the way I live." And now, my friend, listen carefully. This story is not only about Matteo, it is also about you. Every day, stress will appear. Sometimes small things, sometimes big challenges. But you always have a choice. You can choose panic and fear, or you can choose calmness and power. The decision belongs to you. Calmness gives you clear thinking. It helps you see real solutions. It protects your health and mind. Remember these phrases in stress. Stay calm. It will pass. I can handle this. Practice them with your voice. Say them out loud each morning. They will prepare your mind. English practice and life lesson together. That is the beauty of this method. You grow in two directions. Imagine you are in traffic. Cars are not moving for minutes. You start to feel angry. Stop and breathe deeply. Say, take a deep breath. Say, focus on this moment. Now imagine you lost your phone. You feel panic and frustration. What should you do? Say, stay calm. It will pass. Breathe slowly and think clearly. Solutions will appear more easily. One more example, my friend. You argue with someone you love. Your heart feels hot with anger. Pause and repeat softly, I can handle this. Stress is not stronger than me. Matteo's life completely transformed. He still faced many difficulties, but calmness became his shield. In every problem, he found solutions. In every challenge, he grew stronger, because he learned the secret. The secret was not money. It was not luck or chance. It was calmness inside his heart. And this calmness is also for you. It is free and always available. You just need to practice it. Now, my dear learner, listen. You have great power inside. You can be calm in storms. Stress will always knock your door, but you can answer with peace. And peace is stronger than panic. Practice these English phrases daily. They will improve your language and also transform your character. Remember, calmness is a habit. The more you practice, the stronger. The more you use it, the freer. Say again, stay calm. It will pass. This is your shield against stress. Repeat it now with me. Say again, take a deep breath. This connects you to the present. Repeat it now with me. Say again, I can handle this. This gives you inner confidence. Repeat it now with me. Say again, stress is not stronger than me. This phrase gives you courage. Repeat it now with me. The story of Matteo inspires us. He was just an ordinary man, but calmness made him extraordinary. You can do the same. Calmness is not far from you. It is already inside your breath. When life feels impossible, remember, you have the power to pause. You have the power to breathe. When problems feel too heavy, you have the power to think. You have the power to act. This is the secret to calmness. Not escaping problems, but facing them. Facing them with a peaceful heart. So today, take this lesson, carry it into your daily life, and see how it changes you. English practice plus calmness training. Two skills growing at the same time. Both will serve you forever. Do not forget, my friend, stress will always try to win, but calmness is the real winner. Repeat after me one last time. Stay calm. It will pass. Yes, I can handle this. Breathe deeply right now. Feel your chest expand with peace. Smile gently to yourself. Matteo discovered this secret once. You are discovering it today, and your life can also change. Now you have two choices. Forget this story and stay the same, or practice and become stronger. I believe in your choice. I believe you will practice, and calmness will grow in you. So keep these phrases with you. They are not just English words. They are tools for your life. Thank you for joining this lesson. If this story helped you today, subscribe and grow with us together.